unboxing the next generation IC-M25 EVO radio. As you can see, we are going to be unboxing the blue version today. On the side of the box, you have the UPC information, and on the back, you have all the specs and features of the radio. Now let's open the box. When you first open the box, you will see the warranty information, the instruction manual. Now let's open the IC-M25 EVO. This radio has a textured grip and is very lightweight. Now we can move on to the accessories. First, you have the USB-C cable, the antenna that attaches to the top, the belt clip, and lastly, the hand strap. Now, let's put this radio together. The IC-M25 EVO also pairs well with the HM213. The HM213 can be attached by unscrewing the knob next to the antenna. Thank you for watching our unboxing video of the IC-M25 EVO. Icom, we play like you do.